What I eat in a day as a fat person.
Okay, don't identify as one. You're just a bit lost right now.
What I eat in a day is somebody who weighs about the same as a 3-seater sofa.
What I eat in a day is a fat girl who knows she's fat and doesn't care about losing weight. I started off.
Of course she cares about losing weight. It's just built in us. It's a survival instinct. Hey Frugivore, we are back on TikTok, okay? Because I want to help these individuals who are overweight and they're kind of in denial about being overweight. Some of them are not. But some individuals are like, I'm fat and I love it, basically. And as I always say, you're not fat, you just have fat. It's just a temporary state. It's just a little bit, it's some extras. Some have a lot more extras, some have a little bit more extras. You can get rid of it, but it's important not to make it your identity, right? And I see that a lot amongst these TikTokers. I'm a fat person, I'm a fat this, I'm a fat that. No, you are a human frugivore and you're not eating correctly or you're doing something to your body or not enough, as in not enough exercise. You're doing something that is not working. And so I want to help them make that connection. So let's get into it. Let's go straight into this one, which I have not seen these, but I'm just going to click on the thumbnail. So hang on. What I eat in a day as a fat person who knows she's fat and is not on a diet. So I don't want you to go on a diet. I want you to eat the way you're meant to eat or as closely as you can to it, right? That's what we want. So let's have a look at this.
What I eat in a day
is for my haters.
is a fat person who knows she's fat and is not on a diet. This one's for all my haters. The hotel we're staying at has free breakfast, so I got a waffle.
Oh, wow. Okay, so look. The maple syrup part, that's not going to make you fat. That's not going to, when I say make you fat, I mean, it's not going to gather fat on your body. That's a myth. But the butter and probably butter in the waffles is definitely going, and eggs in the waffles. The fatty component is going to load it on. This is very, very bunker, you know.
So I got a waffle. Later for lunch, my husband took me to a sushi with a conveyor belt, and it was happy
Well, okay, so
hours, so we got a bunch of stuff.
You can see here is a problem, all right? Here is a problem. She goes to the sushi place and look at the option that she chooses. See, when I go to the sushi place, and I don't do it, I have done it, but, I prefer not to do it because of the parasite risk, but I will make a low-fat choice and obviously a plant-based choice. This is just unhealthy and fattening.
I don't know what this is, but it's good.
Yep. See this one? Is that like cream cheese or something?
This is a Philadelphia roll.
Yeah.
Those are my favorite.
It's got like Philadelphia cream cheese or something. That's obviously going to lay it on. And here, a deep fried option. This isn't what they would be serving you in Japan generally. This has been westernized and junkified.
And then we got egg rolls. This is like a crab salad thing.
Yeah, see, they're all loaded with the fat, deep fried. Make better choices and you're going to feel more satisfied. You're going to lose fat effortlessly. Honestly, if you just make these simple choices when you go out like this.
I don't know what this is, but that was good too. They called this an LA roll, and then we got
I call that
salmon,
a mercury parasite roll.
Delicious. And then miso soup. Okay. Later that night, I had some sunflower.
What? Sunflower seeds, okay. Dill pickle? What did they do to the sunflower seeds here? Like the marketing crazy, and some soft drink?
Seeds in Arizona. What I eat.
Okay, so we can see this is a pretty poor diet, all right? It's good that she got some rice in there at least because she's getting, some carbohydrates, a little bit of fiber, not a lot, but just a lot of fat, processed, yeah, not good. Better options, sister. And then you don't have to be this fat person as you call yourself, right? Okay, let's go to another one from Sylvia I can't see what her username is, but let's check out this next one.
What I eat in a day is a fat girl who knows she's fat and doesn't care about losing.
Okay, this is getting really long now, these titles. What I eat in a day is a fat girl who knows she's fat and doesn't care about losing weight. No, you're not fat. You are just through poor dietary practices and other things, maybe medication, you've gathered fat, you've gathered fluid that you don't need, that is making you unhealthy, that is damaging your life. You don't need to live like this. Okay.
What I eat in a day is a fat girl who knows she's fat and doesn't care about losing weight. I started off.
Of course she cares about losing weight. It's just built in us. It's a survival instinct. We all want to be lean, fit and healthy. Like it's just survival.
with the homemade strawberry lemonade and
Homemade strawberry lemonade. That doesn't look terrible. I mean, it's got some fresh in there. I don't know what else is in there, but not bad.
lemonade. And nothing reminds me more of my childhood summers than a cup of noodles and a sandwich.
Well, so one thing I know that inspires a lot of you is testimonials. So I have my own testimonial, of course, which a lot of you have seen over the years, but also many more testimonials with photo evidence, video evidence, and I'm just going to show you a few of these now. And some of them might be a little bit older, but they are still relevant because the individual went on the diet, they got the results. Jared's transformation, 240 pounds he lost. Look at the difference here. This is incredible. So next up we have Rosie's transformation. She lost 80 pounds. And the difference, look, just pause the screen yourself. This is where she started. This is where she ended up. And not very long either. Amazing results. Chili's transformation, 126 pounds lost on a raw food lifestyle and a fruit-based lifestyle. Chris Randall, 130 pounds lost. So you can see that you can lose the weight. It's all right. You can lose this excess fat. It is not who you are. It's not your identity. Don't speak about yourself like you are fat. You are just in this interim stage where you're a little bit lost, but you are going to find yourself through the fruit-based lifestyle. I promise it is amazing. It's tasty. And one of my favorite testimonials actually comes from my friend, Nadia, who is still on the path. I'm still buddies with her. She had, as you can see, she had a bit more cushion, a little bit more pudding, and she completely just changed, transformed on the fruit-based lifestyle diet. She still looks the same. So you can see her on the right. Pause the screen if you have to have a good look. This lifestyle works. That's why I want to share it with you. It's worked for me. It's worked for many, many others. And it's a sustainable approach. It's a healthy approach. And I just highly recommend it. So check out Nadia's channel too. She actually used to be on YouTube. And I really wish she would get back on because she made amazing videos. Nadia, I know you're still watching my videos. Yeah, I want you to get back on because you inspired so many individuals. You can see like one of the videos here has 225,000 views. So fat to fit on fruit, check it out. And check out a fruit-based diet, raw till 4. If you're a beginner, I recommend that one first and foremost. The link is in the description below. So a cup of noodles and a sandwich. Huh? Okay, so this is obviously not a healthy breakfast. Just, you know, you get a whole lot of excitotoxins and all sorts of rubbish, and it's just, yeah, obviously super processed. And whoops, the next one is like
noodles and a sandwich.
So she got some animal sliced up, quite a bit of animal sliced up there, and solidified bovine secretion and some weird bun as well. Yeah, real crappy.
That's what I had. It was so delicious. And if you don't,
yeah, but it's not all about, it's not really delicious. It's just a whole lot of seasoning, and it's usually plant seasoning.
don't dip your sandwich into the soup, you're weird. And don't even try arguing with me.
Oh,
then later that day, I had some chocolate and I made...
You really only had that much chocolate? That's restriction. She's obviously restricting herself because she does care about her weight. I just don't buy it.
an iced tea with like cucumbers and strawberries.
Ah, come on. You wanted to eat the whole block. You know it. Everyone wants to eat the whole block, no matter what size. If people are restricting, but you know, she's not being upfront. Sister, look, you don't have to live like this.
Then I had hot Cheetos and dip, and I used dairy-free yogurt with a...
Oh. She ate these hot Cheetos with this dairy-free yogurt.
Dip packet. For all my dairy-free babes, this is a hack. Then my husband actually...
At least it's dairy-free, right? But how weird is that? Okay.
She made dinner, and he made a pizza with zucchini crust and Brussels sprouts. What I eat in day is fat girl who knows.
See, and there's another sign. There's another sign that she's about her weight because he made a zucchini crust. Because they're worried about the carbohydrates. They think the carbs make you fat. It doesn't. Just have the wheat one if you have to. But you can make potato ones and all sorts of ones. That's obviously terrible. Wow. Okay, she's in denial. She is in denial.
What I eat in a day is a fat person.
Okay, don't identify as one. You're just a bit lost right now. Yogurt.
So for breakfast, I had a banana.
She's definitely concerned about her weight if she is eating this. Okay, so no need to, you know, pretend that you're happy being how you're not meant to be. Banana and peanut butter on the wrap. Okay.
On a wrap with peanut butter and a yogurt.
I mean, that's not shocking. Okay, that's not terrible. I mean, my standards are definitely lower here, but like she should be eating, obviously, 10 of those, 10 bananas and wraps. So she doesn't end up eating the other crap that really packs on the fat, because this is not that fattening.
Yogurt.
Oh, I mean, it's got peanut butter, but it's not terrible.
I try and get all my food groups in for breakfast.
Have a smoothie. Get a big ass 10 banana smoothie.
And I drink water throughout the day.
Good drinking water.
For lunch.
Okay, very beige. Mac and cheese with ramen. Saw on TikTok. Yum. Look, it's just, there's no life here. The life has left the chat. The life has been cooked out of it.
I have Mr. Noodle with mac and cheese.
I mean, at least put some salad in there. Mix some salad in there. Obviously, get out the cheese. It's all about this. The solidified bovine secretion cheese is going to pack it on. Pack the weight on.
Don't knock it till you try it.
That is strange. Veggie straws.
And veggie straws with hummus.
Sister, at this point, what I recommend for you is to definitely like have sushi even, but have like rice with vegetables and avocado, like have as much as you care for. Like she doesn't realize she could just smash in like the sushi, unlimited baked potatoes. It's all about what you put on them and your company with them. Okay, we get to watch the eating process. Yep. Okay. Music.
I had some Q's yogurt and Annie's fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks? How about actual fruit? Come on, you can do it. Don't be packet people. Don't fall for this marketing. She's cutting off a circulation here. Juice. Okay, good. Yogurt. Get coconut yogurt. Any fruit snacks, get real fruit. Easy.
They're pretty good. Strawberry lemonade, I think. My mom bought me a strawberry frosty.
I mean, even just have like tin fruit if you want, okay? There's a step in the right direction. Have tin fruit rather than the other fruit. Pizza for supper. What is
And then for supper we have...
That does not look like she's having very much. So she is restricting here. Are these potatoes or are these bread rolls? I'm not sure. But this is all one color pretty much, and it's carcinogenic, the color.
a pizza. And I had a juice box with it.
It's sad to see her like just eating this way, and where it's so easy for her to turn things around, with the right focus, right diet.
And then right before bed I had water.
No, she had watermelon at the end. Heck. Oh, no, for the digestion, but only a tiny bit. But, it's just going to ferment and, well, no. Okay, so... Okay.
What I eat in a day is somebody who weighs about the same as a 3-seater sofa.
What I eat in a day as somebody who weighs the same as a 3-seater sofa. Okay.
What I eat in a day is...
You can see what's going on there. Just a lot of butter, right? A lot of butter. This bread, this white bread, it's not making her fat. It's not putting the fat layers on. It is just processed crap, basically. So it's just going to strain your organs of elimination, mainly filtration.
Somebody who weighs about the same as a 3-seater sofa, who's just trying to live the best life. So for
But you're not trying to live your best life. Come on. Be honest with yourself. You're not trying to live your best life, or you would truly love yourself by feeding yourself correctly.
First I just had toast, and then lunch I was like super...
Wow, so you can see the processed people movement here. There is no fresh for her start of the day at all. Nothing. And what is this?
Crazy busy, so I just inhaled a pot noodle, as one does. And
Pot noodle? Like what even is that? I don't know. But crap, yep, obviously it's just going to be full of artificial whatever, everything. Processed very...
And once I finished work, we decided to have Domino's.
Shoot, I liked it. This cannot happen. Oh gosh. So for dinner she had Domino's, right?
Because it's Domino's, like, why wouldn't you want it?
Wow, okay. Well, see another option. See the poor options these individuals are making. Good to see some vegetables, but I don't know, is that meat or is that mushrooms? But there's probably cheese, right?
So I had some wedges with barbecue sauce, and then I had the vegan
Vegan
chicken pizza, which I've said it once, I'll say it again. Best pizza ever.
Wow, that is really, really good. That is good to see. It seems like she might be like plant-based here. Hang on a second. Okay, vegan food. Great. Of course, no animals intentionally hurt in the process of making this food. But seriously, this is a good example of how you can eat really poorly as a vegan. So you can eat like this. You can just eat the bread and the, probably vegan butter, but it's very fatty still, very fatty. It still will lay on the fat tissue and the excess fat. And also, obviously, noodles so far from nature. Where is the fruit, sis? Where is the fruit? And that's some wedges. Look, potato, okay. But bake it yourself or get some baked potatoes that are not baked in like lard and fat. And this option, not terrible, but take off the cheese, like the solidified coconut oil and stuff like that, and have a veggie one, just purely veggie without the cheese. Yeah, so you can see what's happening here. I'm glad that she is plant-based, at least, or vegan. That is fantastic. But I really want to help these individuals. I want to help them realize that they don't have to be this weight. They don't have to continue trying to own it, trying to own that they're a fat person and, this is me and I'm proud and I'm not going to change for no one. That's not what this is about. This is about changing for yourself, getting healthy and actually being able to enjoy life to the fullest instead of just settling for mediocrity, settling for disease, settling for all sorts of unhealthy lifestyle problems and hurting animals in the process, except for this individual, Chloe, thank you. But yeah, it's a bit of a mess here. Anyway, try a fruit-based diet, my friends. Try a fruit-based diet, raw to 4, the frugivore diet even, starch-based diet. Do that and you are going to watch your body transform and it's going to drop off you. Anyway, that's my video for today. The new channel is coming. I know I said start of August, but I've been organizing more, but I am really close to getting it going. And YouTube's not really promoting my videos anymore to you, showing most of my videos to the audience. So it's going to be good with this new channel. Fresh start. All right, I'll see you soon. So if you go to my website, The Banana Girl, you'll find free teasers of all my books. Okay, you can check out Raw Till 4. You can check out Go Fruit Yourself. My Naked Lunchbox. I'll put a link in the description below.